So this lesson is perhaps a bit overdue. In retrospect, I may have started this series with this lesson. However, as the old adage goes, better late than never. It's an important technique that you will learn for adding numbers quickly in your head. For instance, if I were to ask you, what is 87 plus 26? For most people, it creates a bit of mental strain. You have to picture both those numbers in your mind's eye. And even more than that, you need to hold some numbers separate in your head, add this number, bring across this number. It gets a bit frustrating for some. Maybe you just give up. However, if you're given the same question on a piece of paper, you may find it less difficult. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overcome such anxiety and add numbers quite quickly in your head. It requires no special ability, but just a difference in the way how we think. So here we go. I'm going to give you 3 questions, and I would like you to write down the answers to these 3 questions. It's simply going to be 2 two-digit numbers that I'm going to ask you to add together, and I'm going to give you 3, maybe even 4 seconds to come up with an answer for each question. Yeah? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. First, I would like you to add 39 to 11. Record your answer. Next question. Add 43 to 12. Next question, no cheating. I would like you to add 84 to 27. Okay, your time's up. Now let's look at those questions. I've written them down here for memory. And our first question is 39 plus 11. Now, if you had a piece of paper like I do now, you would have easily seen that, okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Need to carry over 1, so that will be 50. Yeah, that would be our traditional approach. However, we're going to try something different. And we're going to use what some call an add and jump. Let's use a different color for jump. An add and jump technique, as in JA, or perhaps AJ, because first we add, and then second we jump. And this is really where the secret lies, because traditionally, if you're like me, even if you were asked to do a question like this mentally, what you would do is 39 plus 11, you would do something like, okay, 39, 49, and then add the 1. Or maybe for this question, you would say 84 plus 20, try and hold that number in your head, and then add 7 to that number. And usually that's where a lot of us go off track, because it's just too much. It's just too many pieces of information to store mentally, especially if we feel like we're on the clock or we're being judged. Okay, so getting back to the technique, it's going to be the reverse. First, instead of adding 10, let's do it simpler. What we will do is let's add the units digits. Yeah? So 39 plus 1, come on, we've got that. 39 plus 1 is 40. Yeah, we add and then we jump 10 because we've only got 1. 39 plus 1 equals 40. Jump 10. Yeah? 40, 50. And there you have your answer. Did you get it? Okay, let's try it again. 43 plus 12. 43 plus 2 equals 45. Again, there's only 1 here, so jump 10. 45, 55. Are you getting it? Now tell me, isn't that much easier? Now let's look at the last question. Yeah, this one's may trick some of you up, but it's the same principle. 84 plus 7. Yeah, you should know that. 84 plus 7 equals to 91. But we've got a 2 here, so in this case, guess what? We jump 20. So first, let's record our 91. So that's what we would have stored in our mind's eye. Yeah, 84 plus 7. Much easier to add, right? 84 plus 7 equals 91. And because we've got a 2, we jump 2. So first jump, 91 plus 10 will be 101. Next jump, another 10, 111. And that's it. There's your answer. Okay. Let's see if you got it by giving you a few more questions. Of course, if I wrote them down, it would be defeating the purpose. So I'm just going to ask you to calculate the answer to a few questions I'm writing here at the side. And then we look at them together to see what you got. All right? And the first question is 31 plus 43. Okay, your time is up. Next question, 41 plus 57. Give you a bit extra time here, but let's move on. 32 plus 26. Okay, let's look at these now together and see if we can work them out. Remember, the technique is add and jump. However, we always want to add first and jump second. So let's go. 31 plus 3 is nothing more than 34. 34 jumping 4 equals to 74. Yeah? Hopefully you got that. Next question. 41 plus 7 is nothing more than 48. 48 jumping by 5 equals to 98. Not so? It's pretty much 40 plus 50. Alright? Easy numbers for us to work with. Next, 32 plus 6 is 38. 38 jumping by 2, 38, 48, 58. And there you have it. Hopefully, you got all those answers, and now you'll be much better, or at least much quicker, at adding numbers, at least 2-digit numbers in your head. All right? That's it for this lesson, and I'll see you again in the next one. And remember, keep learning.